How to Leverage Property Management for Better Returns. By Dr. Pooyan Ghamari, Ph.D., Swiss economist. Effective property management is a cornerstone of maximizing returns on real estate investments. It involves not just the maintenance and operation of rental properties, but also strategic initiatives to enhance tenant satisfaction, reduce vacancies, and increase property value. This comprehensive guide delves into the various strategies and advanced practices that can help you leverage property management for superior returns. Understanding the role of property management. Definition and importance. What is property management? Property management encompasses the daily operations of rental properties, including tenant management, maintenance, rent collection, and ensuring compliance with local laws and regulations. It is a vital component in the real estate investment lifecycle, directly impacting the profitability and sustainability of the investment. Importance. Effective property management is crucial for maintaining property value, ensuring consistent rental income, and minimizing expenses. A well-managed property attracts and retains high-quality tenants, reduces vacancy rates, and enhances overall investment returns. Key strategies for leveraging property management. Hiring professional property managers. Expertise and experience. Professional property managers bring extensive knowledge and experience to the table. They are adept at handling market analysis, tenant management, and property maintenance, ensuring your investment is well protected and optimized for performance. Time savings. Managing a property can be a time-consuming task. By hiring a professional property manager, you can focus on other investment opportunities or personal pursuits, while ensuring your property is managed efficiently and effectively. Implementing efficient rent collection systems. Automated payments. Utilize automated payment systems to streamline the rent collection process. Online platforms facilitate timely payments, reducing the likelihood of late payments and enhancing cash flow consistency. Clear policies. Establish and communicate clear rent payment policies to tenants. This includes setting due dates, outlining late fees, and specifying acceptable payment methods, ensuring tenants are aware of their obligations. Regular property maintenance and inspections. Preventive maintenance. Adopt a preventive maintenance schedule to address minor issues before they escalate into major problems. Regular maintenance extends the lifespan of property systems and reduces long-term repair costs. Routine inspections. Conduct routine inspections to ensure tenants are complying with lease agreements and to identify any maintenance needs. Regular inspections help maintain property condition and prevent costly repairs. Effective tenant management. Thorough screening. Implement a comprehensive tenant screening process to select reliable and responsible tenants. This includes conducting background checks, credit checks, and verifying rental histories. Responsive communication. Maintain open and responsive communication with tenants. Promptly addressing their concerns and queries enhances tenant satisfaction and retention, reducing turnover rates. Optimizing rental rates. Market analysis. Conduct regular market analyses to ensure your rental rates are competitive. Adjust rates based on market conditions, property amenities, and local demand to maximize rental income. Flexible leasing options. Offer flexible leasing options, such as short-term and long-term leases, to cater to a broader range of tenants. Flexibility can help maintain high occupancy rates and attract diverse tenant profiles. Technological advancements in property management. Property management software. Automation and efficiency. Implement property management software to automate various tasks, including rent collection, maintenance requests, and tenant communication. Automation improves efficiency, reduces administrative burdens, and enhances the overall management process. Data analytics. leverage data analytics to gain insights into property performance, tenant behavior, and market trends. Data-driven decisions optimize property management strategies and enhance investment returns. Smart home technology. Enhanced security. Install smart security systems, such as smart locks and surveillance cameras, to improve property security and tenant safety. Enhanced security measures attract quality tenants and reduce vacancy rates. Energy efficiency. Utilize smart thermostats, lighting systems, and energy management solutions to reduce energy consumption and lower utility costs. Energy-efficient properties are more appealing to environmentally conscious tenants and can command higher rental rates. Financial management and planning. Budgeting and expense management. Accurate budgeting. Develop detailed budgets for property management, including maintenance, repairs, and property management fees. Accurate budgeting helps control expenses and maximize net income. Expense tracking. Use expense tracking tools to monitor property-related expenses. Regularly review and analyze expenses to identify cost-saving opportunities and ensure financial efficiency. Financial performance monitoring. Regular reporting. Generate regular financial reports to track property performance, including income, expenses, and cash flow. Financial reporting provides valuable insights into the profitability of your investment and highlights areas for improvement. Key performance indicators. KPIs monitor key performance indicators such as occupancy rates, rent collection rates, and maintenance costs. KPIs help assess the effectiveness of property management strategies and identify areas needing attention. Tax planning and compliance. Tax deductions. Take advantage of tax deductions related to property management, including maintenance expenses, property management fees, and depreciation. Effective tax planning can significantly reduce tax liabilities and increase net returns. Regulatory compliance. Ensure compliance with local, state, and federal regulations related to property management. Non-compliance can result in fines and legal issues, negatively impacting returns and property reputation. Enhancing tenant experience. High-quality property amenities. Desirable features. Invest in high-quality property amenities such as modern appliances, fitness centers, and communal spaces. Desirable features attract and retain tenants, increasing property value and rental income. Regular upgrades. Regularly upgrade property features and amenities to keep the property competitive in the market. Upgrades can justify higher rental rates and improve tenant satisfaction. Community building activities. Tenant events. Organize community events and activities to foster a sense of community among tenants. Social events enhance tenant satisfaction and retention by creating a positive living environment. Feedback mechanisms. Implement feedback mechanisms such as surveys and suggestion boxes to gather tenant input. Use feedback to improve property management practices and address tenant needs effectively. Future trends in property management. Sustainable property management. Green initiatives. Implement sustainable property management practices, such as energy-efficient upgrades and recycling programs. Sustainable properties are increasingly attractive to tenants and can command higher rental rates. LEED certification. Consider obtaining LEED certification for your property. LEED-certified buildings are recognized for their sustainability and can attract environmentally conscious tenants, enhancing property value and marketability. AI and machine learning. Predictive maintenance. Utilize AI and machine learning to predict maintenance needs and prevent costly repairs. Predictive maintenance solutions analyze data from various property systems to identify potential issues before they occur, reducing downtime and repair costs. Tenant screening. leverage AI-driven tenant screening tools to assess tenant applications more accurately. AI can analyze multiple data points to identify high-quality tenants and reduce the risk of tenant defaults. Virtual and augmented reality. Virtual tours offer virtual property tours using virtual reality, VR. VR tours provide prospective tenants with an immersive experience, allowing them to explore the property remotely and make informed decisions. Augmented reality, AR implement AR solutions to showcase potential upgrades and renovations. AR can help tenants visualize improvements and make informed decisions about leasing or renewing leases, enhancing tenant satisfaction. Leveraging effective property management is crucial for maximizing returns on real estate investments. By implementing professional management practices, utilizing advanced technologies, and focusing on tenant satisfaction, investors can enhance property performance and achieve higher returns. Dr. Pooyan Ghamari, Ph.D., Swiss economist. Effective property management not only safeguards your investment but also drives long-term profitability. Embracing innovative strategies and technologies will ensure your properties remain competitive and profitable in an ever-evolving market.